Okay, Patel, last day, what we have done, we have just described about, or explained about CLI and GUI, command line interface and graphical user interface. So basically, when it comes to command line interface, everything should be given as commands. Everything should be user inputs and various processes. Also the instructions or everything related to the computer human user interaction should be handled using commands. So that is command line interface. So it is basically simple, no graphical materials like icons, menus, graphics, pointers. Only the keyboard is the main input device. We have to input the command, the correct command, and get the output. That is command line interface. And we learn about that. We learn some commands as well. And the next component, next kind of interface that we see is graphical user interface or the GUI. GUI or graphical user interface is basically graphical user interface or GUI is basically supporting various user activities similar to the command line interface. It supports various user activities, but in more kind of like it's easier manner. It's convenient, easy to understand, user friendly. So those are the features of GUI, and it has graphics, windows, icons, pointers, and menus. Graphics, windows, icons, or small pictorial representations, menus and pointers. Pointer means mouse pointer and the cursor, all these things are there. And then the menus. Menus means these items that you see here. These are menus. And these are icons. You can see here icon, icon, icon. These are icons. These are icons. Window, you know, this is a window. And various graphical items. So those are basically parts of GUI. Tanya, you have to write it in the month 3, the beginning part. Month 3 note, the initial or the beginning part, you have to write the notes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, mama certain slip ekai third month note ekai lela damma sir it reply karla dukunna.
Wage nama මොකක්ද පුතේ?
තිසල් විතානගේ.
තිසල් ඔයාට ඒවල තිබ්බද ලක්මාලි මිස් නෙමෙයි. ඔය බැලුවද?
No sir. ඒවල තිබ්බේ නැහැ sir. So මට grade 9 එකක් දන්නේ නැති number එකකින් ඒවල තිබ්බා grade 9.
ඒක තමයි. ඒ number එකට ඔයා දාන්න 8 එකක් තිල්ලද? 8 එකක් තමයි.
8 එක sir ඉල්ලුවේ.
8 එක දිල්ලු.
Yes sir.
Right, you have to send Miss Lakmali, I think. So what is the number that you got? Can you repeat?
What sir?
What is the number that you got that message?
So I can't remember sir.
So you have to reply to the same number, requesting you need that grade 8 also. Otherwise, send it back to me. I'll ask Miss Lakmali to send it again. But always check that I'm not, what I'm doing is I'm just working as intermediary. When you send me the slips, I'll forward the slip to make sure that every slip is recorded. So I'm forwarding the slips to the relevant department and requesting the notes. That's what I'm doing. So in case if you have not received, you can inform me, that's okay. So because now you don't have to send directly to someone else, just send it to me, then I'll forward. In case, then you have to check the messages. Because you will get the tute or the message from some other number, not from my number, right? So therefore, be careful. Look at that.
Sir, madam, the number ka tiyena.
Okay, whatever.
So please
listen carefully what I'm telling. First of all, you have to send me the receipts again. If you have not received that, send me the receipt again. I'll get it arranged. Right, I'll get it arranged. So please send me the message now. Send me a WhatsApp message saying you have not received the tute. But you said that you received grade 9. No, mention that as well, because sometimes in our registration system your grade is recorded as grade 9. So that might be the reason. So are you in grade 9 or grade 8?
Grade 8, sir.
All right, then mention that carefully, then, because if there's a registration mistake, then I can correct that. So so it's very simple. Simple communication. If you have not received, and if you receive wrong note, send me a message saying I got grade 9 note from this number, but I expected grade 8. So then I can correct it. That is very simple, right? Straightforward and simple. You have to report me the issue. So I'm not in a position to scan your brain and see the issue, no? What you have to do is you have to send me a message saying what has really happened. So don't say that you didn't receive that. So then again, I'm having a problem with the, so communication channel has error. Then you have to say, tell the exact point. Exact point එකට වා කියන්න ඕන පුතේ. මම ඉල්ලුවා මට හම්බුනේ 9 නෝට් එක මේ නම් එක. එතකොට තමයි මට මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ මුල හොයාගෙන ඒක විසඳන්න පුළුවන්. I hope you understood, right? නැත්තම් ඔයා කිව්වොත් මට හම්බුනේ නැහැ කියලා ඒක වැරදි මැසේජ් එකක්. මොකද හම්බෙලා නැත්තේ නෑනේ. මට හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා වෙන එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම අපේ registration system එකේ ඇත්තේ grade 9 වලට දාලා. ඒක තමයි reason එක. ඒක fix කරන්න නැත්තම් ලබන මාසෙත් ඔයාට හම්බෙන්නේ 9 note එක. ඔය විදිහට. Right? Send me a message, WhatsApp message, I'll fix it. Okay. That's why listening is really required. Okay. Don't send the receipt. Don't send receipt to the earlier number. Please send it to me. I'll make sure to forward it to the correct department and get it arranged, right? Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, ලක්මාලි මැඩම්ගේ නම්බර් එක තියෙනවා. ඒ වෙන නම්බර් එකකින් ඇවිල්ලා තිබ්බේ.
හරි පුතේ, ඔයාගේ අප් එක මට එවන්න කියලා මම කියන්නේ.
Okay,
Can you
sir.
understand what I'm telling?
Yes.
ඒ ආපු එක මට මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න දරුවෝ. මම නැත්තම් ඔයාගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ විසඳන්න විනාඩි 10ක් අනිත් අයගෙන් දැනට තරම් 8ක්. right? තේරුණාද? ඔයා එව්වොත් ඕක correct කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් නේ, බැරි දෙයක් නෙවෙයි. Only thing is you have to report me the problem correctly පුතේ. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so others, please listen carefully. So what we have discussed already is about CLI. So today we are going to straightly move into the GUI application, and I need you to share your screens. Then I can help you doing this. So let's take the chance, and I will first shift to your screen and then explain one by one. So let's refer to the, let's learn some GUI commands and GUI interface related things. Okay, I can see the screen of Mod, and I need you to just do these activities today. So first of all, so I need you to here know the interface component or components that you can see in the screen. So I'm putting some arrows, others try to name it. So what is this?
It's icon.
Shortcut. Okay, then I'm asking. Then I'll point. Okay, that is shortcut. Okay, what is this? Yes?
Folder.
The folder. Right, then. So what about this?
Taskbar.
Taskbar. And this.
It's Windows Start menu.
Start Windows.
Windows key. Or
Start
you
menu.
say start.
Windows key.
Okay, so what is here in this arrow?
What's it?
Search box.
Search bar.
Search bar or search box. Okay, then
Search box is also right, sir, right?
yeah, search bar or search box. So what is this?
Cortana.
Cortana. So that is the AI assistant, artificial intelligence assistant to support you, your voice commands. So what is this? It's date and time.
Date and time.
Date and time.
And what is in the corner? This corner.
Action center.
Notifications.
Action center.
Notification.
Action
No.
center.
Even in the corner, you can say show desktop, right?
So we can use that for minimize all and look
Yes.
at the screen also desktop.
It is basically showing desktop, right? You have to you can minimize everything and show the desktop. Right, that's it. And notification comes in the corner here, notification area.
Yeah, come here.
And this is the wallpaper. Right, this is the wallpaper. So please mute your microphone if you are not using it. Otherwise, you are generating some noise. Okay.
Sir, I don't understand. What is that thing in the corner, sir?
That is show desktop. You have to click and see what's going on. Just click and
Get
see.
notifications, sir, most of the time.
No, not that. Even in the next corner.
The small divided like part.
Yeah, small divider. So that's what I'm referring. So that is in the corner. Corner again. This corner. This last edge. Edge of
Yes, sir, yeah, I saw that. I got that.
that is it.
I got that.
Right. Okay. These are the components of your desktop. If you are like, if you know this, no need to write. Otherwise, I'll send you a screenshot. Then you can mark in this. You can add that to the your note. Rehansa, your question, I just saw it now. Okay, I have sent you the screenshot. You can add that to the notebook. I saw your question now. Rehansa, can you refer to the previous day recording, please? I think that will be easier, right?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This
Right. Okay, we saw the components of the desktop. One more thing. What is this?
Akbali. Come.
Ute, please mute your microphone when you're not using. Please understand this carefully. Why I'm telling this always, because you are disturbing others. So what is that?
Recycle bin.
Recycle bin.
Recycle bin.
So that is recycle bin, right? So that is where the deleted things will go. It's like dustbin. The deleted thing will be reside there. That is recycle bin.
Sir, we can get it back.
Yes, Minulya?
Sir, we can get it back.
Yes, we can get it
Taking
back
that
from the
process.
recycle bin. Yes, that's why we call recycle. We can get it back.
Yes, sir.
We can delete and also we can get it back. Okay, now we know the basic parts or the components of the string. Right? And still, I can see some students who have not filled the registration form. Muad, I cannot see your registration record in our registration form, so kindly fill that, right? So otherwise, I won't be able to so you can see that there are some grade errors and all. So you said that Pania got some other other not the correct.
So it's not me, it's some other person.
Tisal, yes. Tisal got some other note. So, but Tisal's fault is there in grade 8. Don't know how he got grade 9. Okay. Your folder is here. So so Muad, I cannot find your folder. The reason is I think you have not done the registration. So please do the registration immediately within today. Please do that. Otherwise, I won't be able to resolve the problems. Basically, that's the reason that I'm repeating these things. So I think you have the registration form with you, right? You all have the registration form. You know what I'm referring, right? That is the Google form that we have sent to your groups. And I'm sending it again to your chat. So those who have not filled, please fill this. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult to us to track the students. Therefore, kindly fill this. So this is the last time that I'm telling this. Right, I have sent it to the chat. Kindly fill that. Okay. Then right, next thing is we are going to learn about how we can change the desktop, how we can change the appearance. So one thing is disappearing the icons that you see in your desktop. How can we do that? Okay, this is like question and answer session, right? If you don't know, so what do you have to do? So you have to try this. Yes, you have to try this. In case if you cannot find that, again refer to the recording. This recording is very, very important because today I'm not going to give any note. Today everything will be practical. Therefore, kindly listen, otherwise you will not miss it. You will miss it. But you have a way to catch it by watching the video again. Okay. First thing is disappearing the icons. How can we do that?
Right click view. We have to click show desktop icons, and then all the desktop icons will go.
Yes, exactly. Right click, view. Yes, right click again, view. And from that, you have to untick show desktop icons. Untick it. Right click, view, untick it, and everything will be disappeared. So then you have a clean desktop. That doesn't mean that the icons are deleted. Icons are there, but you cannot see them. Okay, another thing is you can disappear the taskbar also. How? Right click on the taskbar. Yes, and go to the taskbar settings. Taskbar settings. And from the taskbar settings, oh, you have to activate your Windows, otherwise you won't be able to change. So that's the reason. So if you don't have genuine version, then you won't be able to change that. So that's the problem here. Okay, let's refer to some others, some other string. Okay. Doesn't matter. Let's refer to some others. Who's going to share? Okay. Yes. Can we move from the beginning again, Pute? Right click, then taskbar settings. After that, you have to select automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. The second one from the top. Yes, automatically hide the taskbar from the top. So that is second one from the top. And yeah, once you select and go back, you can see your taskbar will be hidden. It's automatically hidden. And now you can see very clean desktop. When you move to the taskbar only, it appears again. Right, there are a lot of settings under that. Go to that again, Pute. Right click and go to the taskbar settings, and you can set where to display the taskbar. Maybe you can display this in the bottom or top. From here, you can select whether to display it in the top or bottom or left or right. That can also be configured. Okay, that is the first thing, how to change the taskbar. Then about the background. Let's go to the background now. When you go to background, it is possible to apply images. Here you can select image from the background. And yes, picture. Then you can select single picture like this. And that picture also you can select in here. Without filling that, you can select tile mode. Tile. So then that picture will be tiled. Right? Tile means same picture will be applied as tiles. Okay. Then you have other modes. Center. Just make it center and see. Then you can see a border because you can see the image will be centered and there will be border. Go to the desktop and show it again, Pute. And you can see it's centered now. There is a black border around that. And so if you want to fill that, you can use fill. fill දැම්මොත් background එක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම පිරලා යනවා. fill වෙලා යනවා. Stretch දැම්මොත් ඒක ඇදිලා ගානට match වෙනවා. If you put stretch, it will match with the desktop size. So those are the options. Okay. So now you know how to set a background or a picture. And you can set a color also by going to this and select solid color. After that, you can select a single color like this and apply it. Then when you go to the desktop, you can see only one color. Yeah. Okay, one color, a single color. Okay, that's it. Now, how can we set a background? Right? How can we set a background by, okay, you can set the slideshow also. I couldn't tell that. Slideshow not set karanna puluwa. If you set slideshow, your pictures will be changing here according to every 10 minutes, a new picture will come. So you can set the time every 1 minute, you can change the picture, every 1 hour, you can change the picture. So likewise, if you have a picture folder, you can change that time to time. And then you have high contrast settings. Go down and you can see high contrast settings.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my father had made that slideshow with 1 minute in his laptop.
1 minute, each 1 minute. But remember that it will slow down the computer, right? For some amount, it will slow down because there is always a process running background. Just go and click on the high contrast settings, please. Then you can see the high contrast. This is off. Can you use that high contrast? And you can see when you use that, it will take some time. Just wait. Okay, now you can see the high contrast mode is basically showing your desktop like this. And if you remove the high contrast settings, the shortcut is Alt, left shift, and the print screen. That is a shortcut. You can press it again, Alt, left shift, and print screen to remove the high contrast. And here there are themes, right? You can see select different themes for them. Can you select the themes? There are high contrast themes. Okay, here, no, not that. Select high contrast one. Okay, this is the high contrast one. Let's select high contrast final one. White, high contrast white. Okay, this is high contrast white. That means your colors will be appear too sharp. Those colors will be too sharp. And you can just turn off that by turning off the high contrast mode. Just turn off that. Then you will come to the normal mode where you will see light color text. Basically gray color. Not that much high contrast. It's simpler. So those are the things. Okay, the next important thing is how to set a wallpaper from internet. There are two kinds of wallpapers that you can set. One is you can download animated wallpaper, or you can download a normal wallpaper. Let's go and search for a wallpaper in your desktop. If you have Firefox, my recommendation, please use Firefox. If you have Firefox browser, use that. That is easy. If you don't have Firefox, don't worry. Use some other browser. Firefox තියෙනවා lazy. If you don't have Firefox, okay, you can use some other browser. Please open your web browser. Please open your web browser. Then search wallpaper and maybe let's say wallpaper nature. Wallpaper space nature. Okay, now you get some wallpapers. How to find large wallpapers? You can go to image search, Pute, click on the images.
Images tools, size large.
Correct. Images, tools, then from the size, you have to select large. Okay, now you get large wallpapers. Click on one wallpaper. If you wish to set that in your desktop, you can click on the wallpaper. Just click on that. Then right click on the right side. And then you can see in your Firefox, you can see set as desktop background. Firefox in Firefox, you have set as desktop background, but in Google Chrome, you don't have, you have to save it. Okay, save it. Yes, you can save in maybe your pictures, yeah, anywhere. Okay, now open it. Click on the picture, it will open. Oh, simple. Click the browser, click. In the web browser itself, you can click on the picture and it will open. It will open. And after that, right click on middle of the picture and set as the desktop background. Right click on middle of the picture and set as, yes, desktop background. Yes, correct. Anyone need help in this step today? Then I can repeat.
Yes, Sammy.
Sir, how can you get a animated background?
That's I'm going to tell next.
Okay, sir.
Okay, anyone need help can share the screen.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Share. Okay, sir.
Then please go to Google and search the image that you prefer first. Still your screen is loading. I'm just instructing, thinking that you are doing the activity, right? Okay, I hope.
Okay. I will do, sir. It's loading a bit.
Yeah, it's loading still. You cannot see the screen.
I'm going to Chrome.
Then search
Excuse
for,
me, sir.
yes.
Sir, we can change the desktop from desktop right click personalize. No, sir.
Yeah. That place is the official, that is the like official, or that is the recommended way. That is the easiest way to change wallpaper. But what I'm telling now is a different topic, Rehansa. I'm telling how to download and set a wallpaper, right? Okay, I think still your Google Chrome is running. It's on the way.
Yes.
Then you have to wait. And next step is basically, I recommend this to the students who are having fast internet connection, as well as if your computer is not slow, you can do the next thing. That is the animated wallpaper part. Right? That is only if your computer is not slow and if your computer is having good memory and you have a good internet connection. So otherwise, don't try this because it will further slow down your computer. After applying animated wallpaper, it will further slow down your computer. Therefore, be careful when applying this. Okay, I think Harisa, we have to wait because like your screen is still loading and okay, you got it? This is more on screen. Okay. Right. So what you have to do is just download the image and right click on the image and then set as wallpaper, right? That is easy. Therefore, I'm moving to the next one. So here, animated wallpapers, there are here, this one, let's go to live wallpapers for free. This website. There are many. This is also okay. But you have to download small software to do that. And let me check it first, right? Then I'll suggest you. Okay, I hope you can download. This seems free. I'll send you this link today. So first of all, kindly download this software. I have sent you the link. It's only 1 megabyte. It's not big software. It's only 1 megabyte. Just download that software. Okay, you can share the screen again. Somebody who wish to apply the live wallpaper can share the screen. I hope you should have a good connection and also, okay. Have you downloaded that? Just click on download. So skip the ad. So make it bigger, Bhuti. Otherwise, I cannot see what's going on the screen. Make it bigger and close the ad. Okay, your software is already downloaded. Now, please access the basic website. Basic website means erase this part and just go to, you can just go to the live wallpapers. Bhuti. From the live wallpapers, you can select any kind of wallpaper that you like and just download it. Click on that. Click on the wallpaper and then download it.
Excuse me, sir. I checked the zip file on VirusTotal. It's flagging it as machine learning anomalies and malware.
Yeah, it can be detected because like these are like having adwares and all. That's the reason. Is it detecting as how many virus guards are detected?
2, sir.
It's not considerable, no? Only 2 are detected, no? You checked with VirusTotal.
Yep, sir.
How many are not detected?
A lot, sir.
Then just ignore that because so some virus guards are there. These virus guards actually detect all the software programs as viruses. So we can't avoid that, right? Okay, who's going to share the screen? Please share the screen, then I'll show you how to download that.
Excuse me, sir. I know a better app which is free too.
You can share it. Okay, click on any of these videos, Pute, then you have to download the video. Go move down, be careful, there are a lot of download links, don't click everywhere. So be careful, move down, then I'll tell how to download. Okay, now you can see, yes, that is the download one. Click on that button, yes, it's downloading. And now you have the software as well as this MP4 video file. You need both. Okay, so Suhara, have you downloaded the software?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we move to the location where you have downloaded?
Okay, sir.
Just move to the location where you have downloaded, and so let's right click on that. Yes, right click on that, and this is not right click. Right click, then you will see extract software. Yes, extract to software dot or something. DHUT, not extract all. Extract to software folder.
Excuse me, sir. I sent the link for that software that I told about.
Okay, sure. So let me first show this, right? Otherwise, that others will confuse. I'll show this data as well. But first of all, let me open. Just go inside that folder, and go inside the application and just run it. You can just click on the exe button, exe, and double click it. Double click on the exe, desktop hard exe. Yeah. It will prompt you a message saying like this will do changes to your computer. Sometimes different messages, you have to check it. And if it is prompting some, yeah, it's okay. Now you have to yes, launch app. On startup, you have to select yes or no. Yeah, that depends. Then you can select the animated wallpaper from here. Just select the animated wallpaper. Yeah, choose animated wallpaper, and after that, select the downloaded file, Pute, from your Snow Wolf. Open, and then you can say play loop. Play loop. Now just go to your desktop and see, Pute. I hope that it should be running. It's working, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The thing here is you can even right click on this, even though this is a video. You can just right click on this, no matter. So your ordinary desktop will run with without any issues. You can select whether to open this in the startup or not. So that is your choice again, right? It is simple, small application, giving you the opportunity to. It's okay. You have sent in, what is this, Pute?
This is the other software I told you about.
This is from the
sir.
Microsoft.
Yes, sir.
Wallpaper from the Microsoft website, right?
Yes, sir.
Lively wallpaper, yeah. That is from the Microsoft Store. You can get it as an application. Yes, others can try that as well. So then also there are selection, but this is very easy. You can apply any video like this as the wallpaper. It's very simple, small
Yes.
application.
So that
Actually, no need
makes
to install even. Right? Yes.
it makes the laptop very slow, sir.
Yes. If you have 4 GB RAM, you are gone. That's what I'm telling. If you have 4 GB RAM, so and mostly your laptop will be slower because it is the like wallpaper is animated, no? So what is the what about your performance, Pute? Can you go to the task manager and show me? Suhara, in your computer you are having you are having 4 GB RAM and you are lucky to run this. You are lucky that it has not much affected your computer. Seems like yes, even though you have a small amount of RAM, 4 GB RAM, still you have some space. Therefore, the utilization is only 85, so you are safe side. But so if utilization is above 90, 95, then definitely it will slow down your computer. The මෙයාගේ computer එක එච්චර ලොකු අවුලක් නැහැ, ලොකු බර software නැහැ. ඒ හින්දා and she has GPU also, no? Therefore it's not affecting much. So not that much slow, no? I think it's slow, but not that much.
No, sir.
Okay, anyone else applied? Can you show this to us? Anyone else tried? Not has tried, I think. Yeah. Have you selected, Pute?
Excuse me, sir.
Play loop. Yeah.
Sir, I have 8 GB RAM, but I have an internet problem, so I can't share.
That's the issue, right? Yes, that is another problem. When you have internet connection problem also, that will affect. But these software are very small, right? Okay, Basuru, I think you're having. Is that app or are you using the app or which one?
Sir,
Yes.
I can't see my desktop apps like apps. I can't see my apps when I play the wallpaper.
But I saw that. Did you
I
right
can
click?
only see the. Yes.
Did you remove the things? Ah, right. Okay, nice one. Can you share it and I'll help you quickly, but don't take much time. I think you have just hidden that, no? Isn't that so? So play the loop and see. No, you should see that. Doesn't matter, like when you play that. So this, I think, can you right click again? Put the right click on the desktop. Right click on the desktop. Try to right click. Isn't it right clicking?
Sir, I can't right click.
That's,
It's
I
not
think
right.
it's a bug. It seems like it's a error or bug in your computer. So you can try with the app that the other guy was suggesting, right?
If I put another video and
you can just give a try.
You can.
Yeah, you can just give a try.
Okay.
If not, I think you have to use the other app that Microsoft Store one. So that might work for your computer, because so computer, this can be vary, right? But others, I think
Okay,
they saw the icons and everything without any error. Anyone else tried this? No. Okay, Mesat. Right. Now we have done that animated wallpaper changing, and also the appearance changing, background changing, everything. The next is I'm thinking of changing the what do you call this screensaver, as well as let's try how to change, like how to improve the performance of your computer. That two parts need to be done. Okay, mess up. I think it's very slow. Seems like it's not loading. Don't know why. Still, we cannot see the screen. In connection problem seems. Okay, if you have done that, that's okay. It's right. Let's try for the next one. Okay, I'll give you multiple sharing facilities, so anyone else can share the screen.
Sorry, say stuck all of a sudden. I'm sorry.
Okay. Can anyone else share, Pute? Mohad, give it to some other student, Pute. So you have already done that. Okay, Tania. So this is using your app. Okay, show the steps to the others, Pute. So you have installed the app, and this is lively wallpaper from Microsoft Store, right? Okay. So is it like heavy app? Is it taking more time?
No sir, it has a mode there. If you are in full screen mode or you have other window maximized, it pauses.
That's it. Okay, it is 200 megabytes, right? A bit larger. It's around 200 megabytes. Okay, let it download, Pute. Let it download, and let's do the other things, other changes. So let's right click on the desktop again. Right click on the desktop again and go to, so this is Windows 7, right? You're using
No sir, this is 10.
8.
This is 10. 10.
Okay, right. You go to the personalized one. Go to personalized one. Okay, there you can see the background, colors, lock screen, themes, font, and all. So let's move to the lock screen now. Right, lock screen is where you have, when you lock the screen, what will happen and all. And there you can see screensaver settings. Right, then you will get this kind of interface. How to go there, Pute? Can you show it again from the beginning? Others can follow it. So you have to right click and go to personalize. From there, you have to go to the lock screen. From there, you have to select the screensaver settings. Okay, screensaver is old principle, came with computers. So when you are idle, when you are not using the computer, screensaver will try to protect your screen by doing some kind of animation or applying some kind of animation. Why the screensaver? Because when we keep the screen in the same illumination level, so it might damage screen pixels. So that is the reason for frequently changing it. So let me tell it in Sinhala also. For some students, it might be difficult to understand. Ekama illumination ekama deep here. So I think you have to mute your microphone today. Somebody has already turned. Please turn off the microphone today. If you're not talking, kindly turn off. Okay. So wait until I'll explain. Screensaver එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් එකම පික්සල් එකකට එකම ඉලුමිනේෂන් එක දිගටම එද්දි ඩැමේජ් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ එකම දීප්තිය එකම තැන දිගටම තියෙද්දි මොනිටර් එකට ඩැමේජ් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. To stop that, screensaver එකෙන් කරන්නේ එක එක පික්සල් එක එක පාට වලට මාරු කරන එක. කියන හැම පික්සල් එකකටම පොඩි එක්සර්සයිස් එකක් දෙනවා. නැත්නම් අපි එක තැනම ඉඳගෙන හිටියොත් පොඩ්ඩක් ඇවිදින්න එහෙම අමාරු වෙනවනේ පුතේ. If you sit in the same place for a long time.
Excuse me, how to get this again? Can you show?
That's what I'm telling, right? Always listen carefully, right? Have you disconnected? Go to personalize. From the personalized, yes, then lock screen, and from there you can select the screensaver. Okay, from the screensaver, you have to select, okay, let's say 3D text. Let's select 3D text. Okay, 3D text is basically displayed in Windows, Windows 10. Just go to the settings and you can put your name there. For the custom text, you can just put your name. And you can change the font as well. If you like, you can change the font too. Any font that you like from there. Okay. Now you have changed the font, change the name, and you can see, let's say, like what could happen, seesaw, wobble, or tumble, or anything. You can select. Spin, anything. Okay. Then you can speed up, and you can change these settings as you wish, right? And if you want reflection, also you can select, but no need to do that. So surface style, solid color, all these things you can select. What are the colors that you need to see? Everything you can select from there. Okay, ඒවා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ, කැමති දෙයක් select කරන්න, ඒක ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. Click OK and then go to the preview. When you click on the preview, it was mouse එක හොලවන්න බෑ පුතේ. Don't change the mouse and you can see what is played in his screen. Basically, it's about Thania. I cannot see it properly because of the colors that you have selected. And now we can see lightly. It's Thania, Dananda. So this is the pattern that you have selected. Since rotation is slow, that's why we cannot see. You have
So that rotates 360 degrees?
Yeah, it is. Okay, so you can apply anything. This 3D text is again customizable. Then there are some other things. So like bubbles, and bubbles will generate bubbles. So you can say after how many minutes need to display it. It need to be displayed after how many minutes. Basically, the minimum is 1 minute. Minimum is 1 minute, right? That means if you are idle, after 1 minute, your screensaver will appear. And you can, if you tick this on resume display the login screen, what will happen? It will ask for the password. The idle tipum auto lock idle if you keep it idle, it will be automatically locked after 1 minute. Then when somebody try to log in, so it will ask the password and it will display the login screen. Okay, you can, I think, give a try, but I'm not sure whether it will be displayed. Just give a try today. On resume display login screen, put that tick and apply and just wait for 1 minute without doing anything. Don't do anything, wait 1 minute. You have to exactly, if you can't move the mouse එක move කරොත් ආයෙ 1 minute මුල ඉඳන්. Stop playing with the mouse, stop playing with the keyboard. You have to stay 1 minute quiet and calm without doing anything. So meanwhile, I'll explain the usage of screensaver again. So why screensaver is needed? Because when you put the screensaver, it is basically protecting your screen without making it idle. That is one reason. The reason number 2 is you can even password protect. That means when you move somewhere, think that you are working in your computer and you want to move somewhere. So maybe in your home, in your house, there are hackers. Maybe your brother is hacker, or maybe your mother is hacker, maybe your sister is hacker. So he or she, or they are trying to log into your computer. Therefore, you don't want to let them use. Maybe after 1 minute, after you move from your place to maybe washroom or somewhere, then the computer will automatically display the screensaver. And after that, if someone is trying to log in, so then the screen will be locked. Then they have to type the username and password to get it back. I think still 1 minute is not. No, 1
So
minute.
and my one came.
1 minute is over. I think Tania has done something.
No, sir, I think it's my computer because it doesn't sleep when I put the command sleep. So there is a issue with that. So I think it's combined with this.
Maybe something, right?
So on my video and show
Okay.
that one.
Okay, sure.
So can you see?
Yeah. That is Moshita. He's like turning on the video. I think others can see the Moshita's laptop. So then Moshita try to log into it.
Okay,
So when you try to move, I think you have to keep the video. Otherwise, others won't see that. Don't worry, they will not copy your password.
No, sir. That means I didn't put a password when I touched that.
Right. You didn't put the password. When you touch that, it will directly come to the stream, right? So, but if you put a password, then it will ask for the password as well. That's the nature. Okay.
Can I use my laptop and?
Right. Next thing is, let's say how to improve the performance. To do that, so what I need is, I need a slow computer. So who can share the screen? Thinking that your computer is slow. Okay, Tinura is thinking his computer is slow. I don't know, right? Okay, how can we improve the performance of the computer?
By
Right.
cleaning cache.
By cleaning of the computer.
Yes, cleaning computer is one thing. But there is easy way. Yeah, there is an easy way. You can go right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. This PC. Icon. Yes, go there and right click over that. And then select properties. Remember these steps because I'm not going to give not today. Today we will do the practical part. Right click and then go to properties. Then go to advanced system settings. When you go to advanced system settings, okay. When you go to advanced system settings, then you can see something called settings. Click on that. Okay, there, what you can do is, you can just go to adjust for best performance. That will disable your visual appearances, visual styles, and give you, that will disable your visual appearances and give you plain screen, but that will be faster than the previous. So here you can see, okay. The fonts and all will not look nice, but still your computer will be fast. Click OK. Yes, click OK. And you can see how it is. Is it faster than earlier? You can just try to right click, refresh and see. I hope it should be faster than earlier. Right? You all can try this. So that will improve your performance because it will stop your unnecessary or unwanted visual styles. Therefore, your
Excuse me,
will be
Sir, how to change that?
Excuse me, sir. I can't find the settings.
Oh, that is not possible. So can you share the screen? Then I'll guide. Who said that you can't find? Suhara.
Yes.
Right click this PC. Right click on this PC. Then go to properties. When you go to properties, and then you can see advanced system settings. Yeah, that's there. But different place. Advanced system settings. Okay, they are under advanced.
Sir, I found it.
That's there. Then go to the settings, and after that you can adjust for the best performance. No, it's best appearance. Best appearance will slow down. Best performance will improve the performance. Then apply and OK. Apply and OK, and you can feel it. So the shadows will be disappeared. right? Font will be normal, and after that you can click OK if you want. So this will be faster than the earlier stage. You all can experience that, right? You can see it's reset back to the normal wallpaper. And,
Thank you.
okay, so that is how to improve the performance of your computer. Okay, today we have done exercises and we have done some exercises related to improving your computer and also improving the GUI, right? And please note that Pute, we will be starting other subjects. So like I just want to tell that I couldn't tell that in earlier classes. We will be starting English, Maths, Science classes. First we will start the singular medium classes, and then the second spell we will be starting English medium classes as well. Probably in February, yes, probably in February we will start the English medium classes as well. And so there was a requirement from the students, so who said that the English class is needed in English medium. That can be arranged. There is English medium English class. That means the teacher will talk to you in English and he will guide you to improve English, grammar, and also like, you know, so there is, as he said in the last day, so, you know, there's a difference between the English that we talk and also the way that I'm talking. I'm generally talking using my vocab, but it is, I know it's not beautiful and it's not wonderful or it's not attractive, but there are people who talk in attractive way. So one example, I really love this tone and this poetic English. So this is from a lady of Pakistan, so Moniba Mozrai. So maybe you can just go and see her motivational speeches or videos. So then I really love her poetic English. So the way that she talks. Yeah.
Sir, can you share the link?
Yeah, sure. I'll share this. So just go through that. Actually, I asked him whether. So please go through this. This is really, really wonderful story. So it is also inspirational to you. Just go through her video. And I asked our English teacher whether can we do such thing to our students, because there are English speaking students. So they can manage the basic language skills, but the thing is they need some improvement. Then he agreed and said, yes, we will be starting English medium English class on February, right? So, but singular medium English class we have already started. It's in Wednesday. Singular medium Maths Science we have already started. We have shared the schedule also. So let me know. Okay, what is the website to get animated wallpapers? I have already shared it, right? So this is the website that I use, but there are a lot of websites, Isadi. So this is what I use. Okay, then see you all next week, Pute. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.